Hi, today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your key fob if you have a Lexus car. Recently I went to the dealer to see if I can get a copy of it, and they told me that if I want to get a copy, it was gonna be like probably 180 to 300 and something, and I think that was too much. So um, I'll be showing you how to replace your key fob or the shell that comes with it. Because if you take it to the dealer, you know they're gonna probably tell you like it will be better for you to they will tell you that you need to reprogram the whole thing. And I find out that you can just replace it, and I'll be showing you how to do it. It's really easy, and then really you don't have to spend that much. So if your car is doing this, like unfortunately, I was trying to turn it on, and then you know it starts spinning like this, and then I noticed that the key, it wasn't doing the job anymore. So I'll be showing you how to fix this problem. So right here I got the package that I ordered for a it's called it's the CO47A key shell for Lexus. So it comes with two. I only spent like $9 for it, and I ordered it through Amazon. So as long as it looks like the one you have, then you can just go ahead and order it. And but if you have any questions about it, you can just read the descriptions, and they will tell you, you know, if that one fits your key. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and then I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So here's the new one. If you see it right here, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Luckily, this package comes with a little screwdriver, so you can do it yourself. So what you're gonna do comes with a screw, then open it up, and then once you open it, then you will be able to install the new one. But first, grab the old one, open it like that, and pull out the this little device. This is the part that they tell you that you need to reprogram. With this package, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is just swap it, put it in the new one, and that's it. Grab the blade, and then that's it. Install it in the new one. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, now this is a new part. It comes with the Toyota logo right here. See? Then you open it, and right here it comes with a little plastic. It's a hard plastic, so pull it out little by little. You know, be gentle, because you might break it if you go hard on it. So see right here, got the part. So what you do, you slide in the new blade right here. Let me just remove the old screwdriver. I mean the old screw. Remove it. So then this is what you do. Grab the little hard plastic, stick it in like this, like that. I don't know if you can see it. Then all the way in, line it up with the little hole. Right there. See that? See the little hole right there? So once you do that, then I'm gonna push it farther. Right there. See? So grab this. And then put it back like this. So it's gonna look like that. So then grab this, line it up. See, it's not that hard. Just go like this. See that? So once you do that, then go ahead and place the back cover. See right here, it has like the teeth, so you have to stick it in like that. So once you do that, you're gonna hear the click. So it's done. See that? Just like new. Okay, so go ahead and install the screw right here. So by doing this, you will be saving more than $100. So go ahead. And that's it. You're done. Your key is ready to be used. I hope you like this video, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be saving a lot of dollars. Okay, God bless you. Bye bye.